Hey guys, it's Mega. So today we have a test subject, the Epomaker Ek68. But first, a bit of a disclaimer. This video was sponsored by Epomaker, but they are watching this video as you all are. So let's get into it. So let's see what's inside the box, shall we? First off, we have the keyboard, of course. Let's put that aside for now. Then for the accessories, it has some extra keycaps for accent, some extra switches, a braided USB Type-C cable, a keycap and switch remover combo tool, and the manual. As for the keyboard, it's a 65% keyboard with tri-mode connectivity. Of course, that's Bluetooth 2.4 GHz and the wired connection. It's also gasket mounted and complete with all foams. It has a rotary knob and it's been around for more than a year now. Should you still buy it? Okay, so yes, I know this board looks like a GMK67. Even the software looks exactly the same. Or for anyone in the Philippines, it looks like a Rockpira Plus. Well, all of that is true and maybe they all have one manufacturer. Whatever the case may be, the unit we have here is the Epomaker Ek68 with Epomaker's Wisteria switches and the cherry profile keycaps. Comment down below if you want me to review these switches. So let's hear how it sounds right out of the box. So yeah, that's what it sounds like. Not a big fan of the stabilizers, and I think I hear a bit of PE foam. So let's take it apart and see what we're dealing with here. Don't be fooled by the case, it looks metal but it is plastic. So with other plastic boards these days, they come off with latches. So let's just bring out our handy dandy pry tool. Once we do that, we can separate the top case, which was a bit of a struggle, and you'll see 3 cables attached to the PCB. Of course, the PCB is using Kale hot swap sockets and has per key RGB. And between the aluminum plate, there is a PE foam and a plate foam as well. But before we put the board together, let's do a bit of modding and see if it will improve the sound of the board. Probably will, unless you guys like the stock typing test. In that case, what's wrong with you? So what I did was just add some Tempest mod and I clipped the stabilizer so we don't have those mushy stabs. And here's the result. So in conclusion, should you still buy the Epomaker EK68 in 2024? I would say yes. By the sound of it, it has massive potential. With the right switches and keycaps, which of course Epomaker gives you, and with the growing popularity of wireless keyboards that have little to no delay or latency, I think it's quite relevant in the space. I mean, sure, you have your lucky 65s, which are already aluminum at almost the same price, but I personally would not carry around a heavy keyboard like that. But in the case of buying either an Epomaker EK68 or a GMK67, I would choose the Epomaker EK68 because of the switches it can offer as a pre-built keyboard and the keycaps as well. You just need to modify the stabilizers and honestly, you'll be good. But these days, you can buy the Epomaker EK68 VIA version on Epomaker's website. If you want to get VIA on the same board, I think it's also worth it if you already know how to use VIA. But it comes in only white or pink. And you don't get switches and keycaps. So I guess pick your poison. Either way, the EK68 is a great budget option for those who want something light enough to carry around without sacrificing too much of the quality. I would honestly get the EK68 in their VIA option just because I'm used to VIA. But the stock software of the EK68 is still usable, it just needs a bit of getting used to, and you need to get over the fact that it sometimes gets bugs. But when it works good. But anyway guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. See you in the next one.